this guide, we're going over how you can hide electrical wires here in Pokemon Pokopia. Before we do get into this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, what you're going to want to do is essentially dig a tunnel or space underground where you want the wiring to go. As long as you place a water wheel down there and add some water so it starts generating power, and then some utility poles underground and connect them to the water wheel to essentially wherever you need power, it'll go ahead and work. Essentially, the entire process is instead of running the, wiring above ground, you're going to fully wire it under the ground. As soon as everything's connected, the lights are still going to work, but the wires will all stay hidden and it looks a lot nicer for your builds. So dig a big tunnel underground, place everything underground, and you guys will be good to go. If you had any questions though, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out, lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.